everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to protect your phone's data? Google One offers automatic backups for photos, apps, messages, and settings. Now in this video, I'll show you how to use Google One Backup and restore your data when needed. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Google One. Now if you're using your phone, your iPhone or Android, just open the Google One app. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can download it via the App Store. Just look for Google. Now on a PC on the other hand, just go to your web browser and then type in one.google.com. Once the websites appear, click on this one. Now here, you're gonna sign up with your Google account. Just click sign up and use your account's credentials. Once you sign in, you'll be directed to this dashboard right here, which is your account's dashboard. Second step is to enable backup, and to do that, just tap on storage and then tap backup now. You can see here you can back up your device, but you can only do it from your phone. Now after you click on backup and select what to backup, you can select photos, videos, contacts, messages, apps and settings. And after that, start the backup. And you can start the backup by tapping backup now to begin the process. After that, enable automatic backup so your data is always safe. As for the fourth and final step, restore backup. Now if you need to restore your backup, when getting up a new phone, sign in to Google and select restore from Google One Backup. Remember, this only can only be done on your mobile device. This means Android or iPhone. You can use your PC to log into your OneDrive. You can upgrade your plan here, etc. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now, quick reminder, Google One does not back up WhatsApp chats, so use Google Drive for that. And you can delete all backups in Google One by going to Google One, then storage, then backups, and you can delete them. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you use Google One Backup. Turn it on, back up your data, and restore it anytime. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.